Alright guys, in this video I'll show you this month me and my student where exactly place order in option. Alright, so we are doing option writing for the month, and even I'm handling some account also where I place my order in which stock. So I'll show you and the last month what strategy and which stock we place order and what is the winning ratio. So I'll show you exactly. So I think you remember, you people, last month I told that this stock I placed in some order and this type of strategy. All right, what is the direction? So everything. So let's do some analysis and let me explain what is the profit ratio. All right, and now you can see, as I said last month, so I'm placing some order that was in Reliance, Axis Bank, Asian Paint, Hindustan Unilever, and TVS Motor. So strategy was ratio spread for the bullish direction, ratio spread in Axis Bank, that is also bullish direction, credit spread, that is also bullish direction, and another rest of the all credit spread. Okay, so this month we place order Vedanta, Tata Power, Mahindra and Mahindra, Device Laboratory, and Adani ENT. Okay, Adani Enterprises. So here I use Jazz Lizard, Debit spread, broken wing trading strategy. Okay, and another sorry, this is credit spread. Okay, all right. So let me show you last month, like Reliance, I was bullish. I placed my order in 28. Let me show you Reliance. Okay. So I placed order on 28. Now I can see 28. That was expiry was 25th, and the 28th April, 24th, and 23rd. Okay. Here I placed order that was ratio spread. So where I exactly place order and expire near that area. So basically that strategy look like that. All right, look like that. This type of strategy. Okay, so when I place order somewhere there and exactly price close in this area, so I almost collected 80% premium in the Reliance. Okay, so another was Axis Bank. Now you can see Axis Bank, and that was Axis Bank, and I placed order at 24th April. Before earnings, 24th April. Okay, in this area, and finally price close here. So means that was also credit spread. It looked like that. All right, the strategy looked like that. The price closed somewhere there, so I'm not able to collect maximum profit. So I collect that call 50% premium. Okay, and another was Asian Paint. That was credit spread. Asian Paint. Let me show you Asian Paint. So I was a bullish, right? Okay. Now you can see Asian Paint, all the way price goes up, and that was a credit spread. Okay. Credit. Sorry. Okay. Credit spread look like yeah, I can see like credit spread look like this. Okay. All right. So price stay stock price stay somewhere there, and break even is too far from this area, and all the way profitable. Okay. So this is most that's the highest winning rate trading strategy. Sorry. Okay. So another Hindustan Unilever Ola credit spread, TVS Motor, Hindustan Unilever, that also bullish. Okay. All right. And another TVS Motor also bullish. You can see all five stocks we deployed last month, and then this month I use Well. me show you Vedanta, not Bell. Okay, so here you can see this is why I place order. So that was a range. Okay, and I finally broke this range. And we expecting that price will move toward the upside. At least price will close above this area. Our break even is below somewhere here. So if price stay above this level from 270, it will be profitable. Okay, almost 80% winning risk. And another Tata Power. Let me show you Tata Power. Tata Motors, Tata Power. Okay, Tata Power. What strategy? Debit spread. Debit spread means there are less implied volatility. That is why we place. We are focusing on the buy side. So debit spread means we buy in the money, sell out of the money, call. So once I place, it should look like that. All right, it should look like that. And stock price is somewhere there. If price at close just a little bit higher anywhere, so I'll collect maximum profit. Why I place? Because there let's say low implied volatility. Okay, another Mahindra and Mahindra, this one. Okay, what strategy we are placing here? Debit spread. Okay, so less implied volatility. Eventually there was earning result, so we expected that earning will be positive, so it will continue toward the upper side. So last time I placed order before market close. Okay, and another strategy, device lab. Okay, here we use broken wing. Okay, yeah, broken wing trading strategy. Broken wing trading strategies look like okay, and price stay like that. Okay, and stock is somewhere here, and we expecting that if price stay above this area, anywhere above this area, we'll collect the premium, and if it goes down, and it's protected. Okay, if price goes up or close exactly here, so we'll collect maximum premium in that case. Okay, another that was credit spread in Adani. Adani is high implied volatility right now, so that is why we use credit spread. Credit spread means it should look like that, as I said. It should look like, okay. And the stock price is somewhere like here. Okay, stock price is somewhere here, and my break even is here. So means stock price is here, my break even is here. So Adani stay above this level around I think 200 or something, 200, 2000. If they stay above this area, so we collect all premium. Okay, so that was my strategy, and I placed for this month. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for giving your valuable time.